Hello everyone and welcome back. So I have a review to do. This is a brand new release. I believe it was just released today. That's what it said on Amazon anyways. This is the Spiritual Meaning of Birds Oracle deck. Discover the wisdom and insight of these divine winged messengers. And this is by the same creator as the Green Witch Oracle deck, so you know this is going to be a good one. I have not seen any walkthroughs. I've not looked for any walkthroughs. I have this on pre-order. I absolutely love birds, so I knew I had to have it. And what was I gonna say? I got ahead of myself. I have only seen photos that are on Amazon of it. So here's the back. I haven't even taken the gloss off yet, or the cellophane, if you would like to pause to read. And we will get this shrink wrap off. Okay, had to pause. I forgot to turn my Facebook off over there, and it's, I'm sure you heard it ding, 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 ding. Yeah, so I've been excited for this one. It arrived this morning, and I think I'm getting sick again, so I want to try to, just in case I am, I want to get this open and looked at. It has the, if you have the Green Witch Oracle, how it has the indentations there. Same goes with this. It feels exactly the same. Nice sturdy box. I know I'm filming kind of in an awkward position, but that's just how I felt like going with it today. So here's the book. So this is actually going to be one of my first impression unboxings. Okay, so the Spiritual Meaning of Birds. Oh, there's nothing on the inside. Oh, I couldn't remember if they had a photo of the backs on Amazon and the pictures. Look at the backs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. So here is the little guidebook. Oh, it's in full color, the glossy pages, which I love. And that would be my American bully. He's not a mean boy. He's a big baby, so I don't know why he's even barking. My husband must have a customer. So this is a very nice guidebook. You get the bird, owl, focus, prophecy, wisdom, which is on the card by the looks of it. And then you get families. Oh my goodness. I'm not even going to try it. Yeah. So these must be the families that the owls are related to. Then you get the card meaning, and then where to find the owl. So that's for each card. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I love these guys. Index of Oracle cards. Yep, you do get some spreads in here. Part 2, working with the deck. Dedicating your deck. I think everybody has their own way of doing so. But I do like to see it in here how others ways are. So yep, we've got some spreads. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 card spread. The nest, that's cute. Oh, yep, you're getting quite a few of them. 5 card spread, 6 card spread. The tree. Oh, I'm definitely checking that out. The tree, the root of the problem, the trunk, where the problem is, the heart of the problem, where you can draw strength and seek solutions, an area where help will where help will come from unasked, and then areas and ideas to be open to in order to advance through the problem. Then we get the 7-card migration spread, and then the cards and how to interpret them. Let's look at the cards. So again, very beautiful box all the way around. Got the pretty little flowers. When I seen that it was from, oh my goodness, it's bowed, but I can take care of that really quick. I just want to see if they're not the same card. I don't think they're the same card stock as this one. We're going to find out right now. No, they're not. Maybe. Let me flip them over so I'm not looking at the back. This one feels much more flexible. This one feels a little more, I don't know. I'm not going to say stiff because that just don't even sound right. But the cardstock, in my opinion, isn't the same. It could just be me, though. So if anybody else has the deck, you can correct me if I'm wrong. All right. So obviously here are the gorgeous backs. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. They're soft but matte. Yeah, they're bowed. A couple shuffles and that'll take that away. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the deck. The Blackbird, hidden potential, defense, assertiveness. Actually, let me do it this way like I usually do, or have been doing. Look at that, the blue jay. I'm really hoping that the robin is in here, that there's a robin, because that's my beautiful sister's name who passed away recently. And it would be nice to have a robin. Every time, the name of the bird reminds me of her. Look at the chickadees, industry leadership review. So you can either, I mean, obviously anyone can read however, which way they choose so. But for me, as I'm seeing, you've got these little keywords down here, and then you can also pull some info from the birds too, like the cardinal here. Yeah, the cardstock I would definitely say is a little thinner than the Green Witch Oracle. The cardinal, leadership, confidence, creativity. But for me, it also means a loved one is close. Then we have the cormorant. I don't know. I probably butchered that, but never heard of that guy. The cowbird. Never heard of the cowbird. Let me try a different way here. The crane. I have got so much stuff on this desk. I have moved back into my witchy room. So now I have my witchy room and my bedroom are separate again. Oh my goodness. And they're going to clump. So there's our crane. Oh, look at the crow. Love crows. Innovation, change, death. Let me just put the Green Witch away here. I've got the Green Witch over here inside the bird box. Half of it anyways. Okay, now let's see if we can get back to the review. Cuckoo. Yes, I'd say I'm definitely cuckoo. Ancestry, deceit, attentiveness. The colors are really pretty. These speckles are just speckles, I'm thinking. Hopefully not a damaged card. Yeah, they're definitely thinner though. I'm excited to see how they shuffle. Here's the Dove. Peace, relationships, purity. I always thought doves were white. The Duck. Weathering storms, transition, prosperity. Oh my goodness, he's loud. He's a loud guy. The Eagle. Oh, buddy. Oops, sorry, guys. Perception, leadership, renewal. The Egret. I'm not sure if I said that right. I've never heard of that either. Stateliness, beauty, rarity. I'm loving these. Oh my gosh. I have another bird deck and I can't find it. I'm just now pulling all my decks back out because if you watched any of my previous videos, you'll know that I had them all put in bins because they became too overwhelming and I only had a few out, only had a few decks out. Oh my goodness, because it was so overwhelming. But when I did the room switch again, now I want them all where I can see them. So I've been quite busy. So here we have the Goldfinch, the Goose, I have decks that I haven't even opened yet, haven't even took the wrapping off yet. A Grackle. I've never heard of that. They are aggression, aggression, determination, illusions. Yeah, they look like they could be a bit bossy. These would be wonderful for a card a day. At the end, we will shuffle and pull a card too. The Grouse, movement, stillness, perception. The Gull, adaptability, balance, caution. I'm thinking Seagull, but maybe not. Maybe there's two different kinds. The Hawk, wildness, perception, observation. The Heron, patience, focus, self-reliance. Hummingbird, they're so pretty. I don't think they're the friendliest bird though, from what I've known. Vitality, yeah, energy, joy. They will straight fly right into you. I think this is one of the ones that Amazon shows because I remember these little berries, I think. But then again, I think a lot of them have the little berries on them. The Junco or Junco, I'm not sure. Perseverance, adaptability, calmness. Lark. Joy, celebration, playfulness. Loon. Magpie. Hoarding, distraction, balance. Mockingbird, love it. Communication, humor, reflection. Nuthatch. Oh, they are pretty. Look at how realistic. I mean, the art is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, and they were new viewpoints, preparation, and hoarding. The Oriole, positive change, creativity, domesticity. And look at, I mean, they're simple, but they've got a lot in there. Beautiful cards. The Osprey. And I'm not sure if I said that right. Perception, abundance, confidence. Oh, look at the beautiful owl. That's my spirit animal. Focus, prophecy, wisdom. Look at those beautiful eyes. Oh my gosh, love, love, love. I actually have an owl ring on today. Look at him. The partridge. Fertility, abundance, camouflage. He's a big fella. Pigeon. Determination, community, communication. Yeah, the artwork is definitely beautiful. Quail, I believe that's pronounced that way. Fertility, caution, tenacity. There's the robin. Oh, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. New beginnings, cheer, and cycles. Oh, I love it. It gave me goosebumps. Oh, I'm so happy that card's in there. Sandpiper. Or pipper. I'm not sure. You never know when it comes to birds or some things. Balance, quickness, looking below the surface. Sparrow. They're another gorgeous bird. Companionship, self-worth, and trust. Another one that's just very simple, but you see two birds, and how you going to read that? Peaceful communication, a retreat, an important conversation, togetherness, the starling, community, communication, clarity, the swallow. Oh, kiddo. Hope, rapidity, hearth and home. The swan. They're pretty too. Transformation, dreams, illusion. And if anybody knows, I mean, I know I don't have a lot of people that stop into my channel, but for those of you that do, I absolutely appreciate you. For anyone that might know, how in the heck do you do when filming the picture on picture? I want to like show my face up in the corner, but then still be showing the cards down on the table, if that makes sense. See a lot of people doing it. I can't figure it out. I don't know if you have to have a certain amount of subscribers or something, or I'm not sure. But if anybody knows, please let me know. Thrush. I've never heard of that one. Voice, commitment, cleverness. Oh, that's cute. He's kind of like looking under the leaf. Is that a berry under there? Or whatever it is that they're eating. Yeah, it looks like little berries. Oh, look at this one. Is that a titmouse? Thought, resourcefulness, confidence. These are just so cute. I've got a couple bird decks. I love birds. I sit up first thing in the morning and just love listening to the birds. It's like they are communicating back and forth. The turkey, abundance, nourishment, and wisdom. Poor things. They should have put in Thanksgiving dinner. Just kidding. I don't eat the turkeys. I'm starting to go through this phase where I won't eat meat anymore. Waxwing. Sharing health gluttony. And there goes my alarm for more medications. These are pretty little birds. Look at the detail in the trees. They're just, they're pretty. The woodpeckers. Oh, he caught him a worm. Focus. Oh, oh my goodness. That is so cute. Determination, commitment, and stubbornness. That is too cute. It looks like they're arguing. And these two are up there like, well, we're going to get our meal. You two go ahead and sit on your branch and argue. The wren. These are so pretty too. Courage, strength, balance. I know you guys have heard the word pretty 100 times. Probably don't want to hear it again. I was trying to see what my old eyes were trying to make out of that up there. I almost thought it was a cocoon, a butterfly thing. Yellow warbler, joy, celebration, creativity. They're pretty. Look how yellow. And again, there I go with the P word again, the pretty. Okay, so let's shuffle. Yeah, see, they're pretty. You might not be able to see it, but they're bowed. All right, not for long. Oh yeah, they are a lot thinner. Not a lot, but they're not the same cardstock as the Green Witch, which is a little unfortunate because I was really hoping, because the Green Witch Oracle, that is my absolute favorite Oracle deck. I love, love, love that deck. Whenever I want to pull an Oracle off my shelf to use, it seems to always be that one. And I love because you can use it with any deck, in my opinion, anyways. So, yeah, these are going to be the kind, this deck here, the cardstock, is going to be the kind that flexes back however you want it to go. If you want it to bow, if you don't want it to bow, it's going to bounce right back. Shuffles all the ways. All right, let's pull a card. Show us a message, please, from these beautiful birds. What do these birds have for us? That one feels right. We got the partridge and a pear tree. So we've got fertility, abundance, and camouflage. So let's see what this guy has for us in the book. Oh, they're not numbered, so I'm assuming we're going alphabetical. Now, not all decks do that. Some are just all over the place. So here we have it for the partridge. That's cool how it gives you like the families and associations or the relations. So here's the card meaning. You guys can pause to read, and I'm going to read it as well. I'm just not going to read it out loud. That's a bit too much. I'm still healing with the mouth. This bird may be a warning. This bird may be warning you to operate quietly for a while, not making too big a splash in order to accomplish your goals. These are really nice interpretations. And down here, where to find. The partridge prefers flat land such as fields, meadows, and cropland. Partridges are found in, sorry about that, guys. Partridges are found in, where was I? Southern Canada and northern United States, Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. So there you have it. I love it. There's some very beautiful birds. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it yet. Maybe just a card a day to set up on my altar because, I mean, look how pretty they are. They're just pretty. And there's the backs again. Oh my gosh, I love them. Love, love, love them. So, again, just a reminder, if anybody knows how to do that picture-on-picture or whatever it's called, please let me know. And thank you for spending this time with me as we review the Spiritual Meanings of Birds Oracle Deck. Brand spanking new release. I purchased off Amazon. I'm not affiliated or anything with anyone. Just letting you know my honest thoughts and, you know, where to purchase. So I will see you guys all in the next one. Until then, take care and blessed be.